Kelly, is it actually going to be wetter? And that is really hard. Say that 5 times really fast.
Wetter weather, weather weather.
Ooh, it's too early for this.
I only got 2. Anyway, we have a lot to get through because we have a lot of maintenance to do. And one of them is letting everyone know this is the time where we turn our clocks back an hour. You get an extra hour of sleep, unless, of course, you have a dog that needs to go outside or small children because, you know, they're not aware that they get an extra hour of sleep. But other things to think about, don't forget, in addition to the fallback, we change our batteries and smoke detectors and our carbon monoxide detector, and sunset after that on Sunday is going to move to 4:37 p.m. So it does bring in the earlier sunset times, which I know we all kind of don't like very much. But anyway, here in Providence, we do have clear skies. We have temperatures that are in the 60s, which is weird because usually they're at 40. 40 is your average low for today, but we are starting with some very warm temperatures. Now, what happens in front of a cold front, typically for us in southern New England, is a big surge in air that moves in from the southwest. It's where a warm air mass is located. So that's what's keeping these temperatures warm, even though the sky is clear. Now, this front will be coming through this morning. It's going to give us clouds. It's also going to give us a chance of picking up a shower. Not a drought buster by any stretch, but a chance of a shower nonetheless. Once we turn the corner into the afternoon, we're going to rapidly bring in the sunshine. And because of the warm start and the lag in the colder air behind the cold front, we're going to do one more day with highs in the 70s. Then we get to tonight, and that's when the colder air behind that cold front pours into southern New England. By the time we go through the day on Saturday, we're looking at highs that are only going to recover into the 50s, which swings the pendulum the other way, colder than average. And that's going to be with us both Saturday and for Sunday. Sunday morning, we have the chance of doing some freezing in terms of outdoor vegetation, as temperatures in many areas are going to be dropping to or below the freezing point in areas away from the coast. Highs once again on Sunday struggling to top out in the 50s. Now, we do have an adjusted drought situation. We have now gone to a severe drought condition for Boston, also up towards the North Shore, including Salem, where those brush fires were that we were talking about last weekend. And we have started to move into a moderate drought situation along the northern border of Rhode Island. Now, that's updated every Thursday, so that is fresh data from yesterday. Now, because it is so dry, and we have all of this available tinder out there, and because that front is going to kick up the wind, it has bumped us from a concern, a fire weather concern, to a red flag warning. And these are the conditions that accompany that. Easy to catch, quick to spread, difficult to contain in terms of brush fires. No outdoor burning is advised at all. And again, this is our maintenance. It is daylight saving time, time when the clocks go back 1 hour. Enjoy your extra hour of sleep, by the way. Once we get by the weekend, we're going to bring in through a warm front Monday into Tuesday. That's going to give us about a 40% chance of showers, but it's also going to bring temperatures back into the 70s by the middle of next week. Caitlin?